In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect responses with GetFormly. First, open GetFormly and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the form you want to collect responses from. Before you send anything out, make sure the form is actually published. If it isn't live yet, click Publish. This part is important because people need to use the published version of your form in order to submit real responses. The preview version is only for testing the layout and flow, so it won't collect actual results. Next, open the Share panel and click Copy Link to copy your published form URL. This is the link you'll send to respondents, and you can share it through email, social media, messaging apps, or any other channel you prefer. If you want the form to appear directly on a website instead, you can also use the embed option. If you'd like to create your own forms and start collecting responses, feel free to check out GetFormly using the affiliate link in the description. Now open that copied form URL in a separate browser tab so you can see exactly what your respondents will see. Fill out the form using sample information, then click Submit. Once it's submitted, that response should now appear inside your form's results. Go back to the Formly dashboard, open the same form and click the Results tab. This is where you can view the information collected from everyone who submits your form. Select one of the submitted responses to open the full details and review the answers in a clear, easy-to-read format. If that option is available in your setup, you can also download an individual response as a PDF. To export responses, stay in the Results section and select the entries you want to download, then click the Download icon. Formly may offer several export formats, including CSV or Excel, HTML, and PDF. Choose the format you need, download the file, and open it to confirm the data exported correctly. If you want responses to be organized automatically, open the Forms Connect section and choose Google Sheets. From there, connect the appropriate Google account and decide whether to create a new spreadsheet or link to an existing one. This makes it much easier to sort, share, and manage incoming responses. You can also open settings and find email notifications to enable alerts for new submissions. These notifications can be sent to you or other team members, although this feature is currently available on paid plans. To share responses with your team, you can give them access through your account or workspace, or simply share the connected Google Sheet. Back in the Results section, you can also select individual responses and manage them by downloading or deleting them. Finally, test the full process one more time by opening the Publish form again, submitting another sample response, and returning to the Results section. Refresh the page if needed and confirm the new response appears. If you connected Google Sheets or enabled email notifications, verify that the response shows up there as well. And that's it. If you want to create your own forms and start collecting responses with GetFormly, you can try it using the affiliate link in the description.